what do you have to say about that style of investing?
Yeah. Well, okay, so let's talk about venture capital investing in particular. Okay, let's just focus on a narrow subsection of investing. And venture capital investing is, only what, about 70 years old, right? As an industry, 70 years old. And that's if you go all the way back to the original, guys who left Shockley and formed that first, competitor in the valley. So, what are you on the fourth generation, maybe fifth
Yeah.
generation? And so what, in the first two generations, it would have been individuals like you who would have been more likely to get funded because it was much more common when I came, for example, when I was first introduced to venture capital in the late 90s through one of the venerable institutions. Most of the entrepreneurs that were funded, I would say, were professionals with children, with wives, with families who had built careers and had come up with an idea and now needed capital to see that idea through to fruition. My early investors included my early clients included the investors in Google. And Google sort of replaced that early infrastructure intensive model by making Gmail available for free or
Right.
$5. And now anybody could start a business and get going in the internet era. And then it became, more about the, let's say, college type kids who had a certain pedigree, and they were really characterized by a few early pioneers in the social media space.
Right.
Investors being human, they tend to follow what looks like it's, has been successful. And the real key to venture capital investing, of course, is not to follow, but to lead, understand what's coming.
And that's exactly what I want to ask you.